Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another interview question which has been asked in the Deloitte. So specifically it's an SQL query. Okay, if you can see here, so I'm just giving you some sample data here. Okay, so it's specifically in context of orders data, orders any sort of sales data. Okay, if you can see here, these are the customers and what's the payment method. If you can think of any customer, okay, what are the sort of payment method they have been used to purchase any sort of orders and everything to it. Okay, Amit is a person who has been used uh, to purchase, like whether it's a cash on delivery or it's a RuPay, Visa card, Mastercards, net banking, any sort of purchase method you have been used, everything is going to be tracked into the orders data. Okay, based on that, we just have to know like who are the customers has been used more than two distinct purchase methods. Okay, for example, if you can see here, Neha Gupta has been used net banking, Visa, Mastercard, and net banking. Okay, here she is a person who has been used four, like four times she has been purchased. Out of four times, she has been used three different purchase, three different payment methods. Okay, net banking, Visa, and Mastercard. Okay, so whoever the customers has been used more than two purchases or like two distinct purchase methods. Okay, we have to capture that specific customer names as an outcome for it. Let's come back to the Excel first and let's see like what is the data. Just think of it, you have more than like these are the things. I've just taken some sample data here. Okay, so out of which, let me see here. If you can see here, Amit Kumar do have only two, but we need more than two. Okay, Anita Sharma do have three. Okay, she do have three unique only, so which is more than two. Okay, she is the one person. And Anita Sharma, Anita Sharma, yeah, I think she's the one. Okay, she's the same person. She do have more than like three, so we can able to consider like we just need more than two. Okay, so she is a person. And Neha Gupta, as we see, Neha Gupta has been using more than two distinct, like at least three distinct purchase methods she's using. And Priya Iyer, if you can see here, Priya Iyer has purchased four different method, like four times, but she used net banking or Visa only, so she is not qualified for our context. We need more than two, like two payment methods. Rahul Sharma, he has been purchased two, but you know two are we are not needed. And Sai Krishna, he has been used multiple orders with a Visa, UPI, Mastercard, whatever it is. So this person is also has more than two different purchase methods. So we can able to qualify this person as well. And Sneha Reddy, she has been three orders, but as a two different purchase types. So we are not going to consider them. So this is what so this is what outcome. So we just need one two three folks. These are the three folks has been purchased more than two distinct payment methods. Okay, let's come back to the SQL and then we can write a query. So how we can able to bring them as an outcome for it. Okay, so for as we know that we need a customers, so from this table, so let's define the customers only. Customer name, uh, out of that customer name directly instead of we directly capturing them, so we can define like customer name. So what is it after, like how many payment methods, it's a kind of distinct payment methods are we using. So count of distinct payment, ETH, count of distinct payment method. Okay, this could be like, as we know, like, so if you wanna like define any sort of naming conventions or something, you can define like uh, payment modes, payment modes. Okay, as we are defining any sort of aggregation, so we just have to define a group by as well. So if you are defining group by, so first of all, let's see like what are the types of things they are purchasing. If you can see here, we do have Amit Kumar as a two, Amit Sharma has four. This is what we have seen right now. Amit Sharma, Neha Gupta, and Sai Krishna have a more than three purchases. Okay, like which is more than two distinct purchases. Okay, at least three purchases, three different purchase methods has been using it. So on top of it, what we have to do it. So this is what we found it right now. After it, so we just have to define a having class. Okay, where like this count of distinct purchases are more than like more than two, greater than or equals to greater than two. Okay, so if you want to define like order by, it's fine. Okay, first let's see like who all are coming into the picture. Yeah, see, finally, so this is what we have seen in the Excel. Okay, first of all, let's remove this having clause, and then we can see like whether our context is same or not. See, Amit Kumar has two. Ankit Sharma, she has been like Visa, RuPay, UPI, Mastercard. Okay, so she has been using four. So that's what we have been. And Neha Gupta, she has been like net banking twice, Visa and Mastercard, three exist. Neha Gupta. After that, Priya, okay, she is four, but two are the distinct two. Sai Krishna has been using four, Visa, UPI, Mastercard, net banking, so that's a four. So after that, we just have to bring whichever is more than two, right? So that's the reason why I just written this query here. So this is what like having count of distinct payment method greater than two. Whenever we're gonna click that, so we're gonna get like Amit Sharma, Neha Gupta, and Sai Krishna. So these are what we needed. So if you just specifically wanted uh you know customer name, so let's remove this, is not needed. This is just for a context, like whether we can able to see this or not properly. So and finally let's exclude. Yeah, so these are the customers who has been did orders with more than two distinct purchase methods. Yeah, that's all. If you like my explanation, please subscribe.